Konnichiwa, it's Koneko here, and for today's video, I'm going to show you my 2 Diva cosplays. So before we get into the video, if you are new here and you haven't already, please consider becoming a big part of this magical pastel family by clicking the subscription button down below and clicking the little bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Today's video is of 2 different Diva cosplays that I have received from shop Uwowo. I always hesitate saying that, not knowing if I'm saying it correctly, but that's what it looks like. I'll also insert the name here, and there'll be a link in the description box down below, their website link and the link to each of these cosplays. Now, the first one that I'm going to show you and try on is the main Diva skin outfit. I have her regular skin in that, like, I think it's called Zentai type material, and I wasn't super happy with it. I do like how form-fitting it looks, but I really wanted to get the higher quality version of her suit, which you can see like all the like detail, like the little pieces already, and just like the thickness of it. And so of course it is a suit. There's no like foot covering, just like a spot for your foot to go in, so I still do need to get the boots, but all of the armor pieces came with this cosplay. So the costume came with different pieces for the like armor and whatnot, as well as 2 sets of cheek stickers, and the gloves are in here as well. Now I love the quality of this suit. It's exactly what I wanted, and these pieces are really nice as well. The only issue I have is that a lot of the like clasps and whatnot, like the Velcro for like the shoulder pieces, were just hot glued on, and as somebody who's done a lot of crafting, hot glue on like plastic doesn't really stick very well. They threw in a hot glue stick, which like has melted a little bit like to the plastic. It's not that bad, it's still usable, but this would mean that the person receiving this costume would have to have a glue gun already and maybe more glue sticks, because I don't think one would quite do it. I mean, most places you can get a hot glue gun at the dollar store, but it seems like they knew that it would fall apart, so they put in a hot glue stick. That's the only kind of thing about this costume, is that I'm gonna need to probably super glue it, which is fine. I just will get some super glue from the dollar store. It'll probably just cost a few bucks. Like, one of them has already fallen off, and these shoulder pieces, the straps for both of them have fallen off, so I'll have to figure out where everything goes again and re-stick them on, which isn't a big issue, but this costume, to get this higher quality like suit, tends to be more expensive than the simple version, so I was a little bit disappointed. As well as the neck piece, if you could see, it's like I need to heat it or something and bend it, which I understand how like getting stuff online and like it traveling, you know, a long way in a box, it could get smushed and whatnot, but this is an issue. I can't really have this around my neck. It doesn't sit properly and it kind of chokes me, so I need to heat this up and try to bend it and form it back into a proper shape. It just currently does not sit right, which is a shame, because like I said, I love the suit, the texture of it, and like the detail. So now I am going to try on this Diva suit and all the pieces that I can currently put on with it for this video. So like I said, I still have to fix a few of the pieces for this cosplay, but I love this suit. I love the gloves and the detail, and I love how it looks. It is more textured and bulky in areas, but I still really love this bodysuit version. And this headset isn't from the same shop. The headset is from cospicky.com, and I really love these ones because they are like a harder plastic. And the only annoying thing really is that there's a few pieces of like this gray sticker, and it likes to kind of like peel back a bit. I just need to glue that down. But yeah, they're really nice, and I think they look really good. This costume is really warm. Most of my costumes are really warm, especially with sun coming in the window, but at least I have a costume that is warmer if I start going to any winter or late fall anime conventions. Alright, now on to the other Diva cosplay. So this is Magical Girl Diva. It's a super adorable cosplay. It's just so precious. I have not tried this one on yet at all, as it was a pre-order, so it came a bit later than the other ones. But it's got this super layered beautiful skirt. It has this area I feel like I'm going to be wearing like tights under it or shorts under it or something, like spandex shorts or something. I'm not sure how I will feel about this area yet, but this costume is so cute and precious. I love all the little details on here. The back piece has a heart with like clear plastic, and the collar is just so cute, and it's got Diva's little bunny here, and it's all very pink and pastel and magical with a little bit of blue and brown as well. It's got a very large bow that can be pinned on to the back of the costume, and at the edge of the bow there is this very beautiful trimming. And also two smaller of the big bows that go on the front skirt of the costume. Some invisible straps to keep the top part up. Super adorable boot covers. A garter piece that goes around one of her thighs. Some ribbon that wraps around her arm, like her upper arm, and then wraps around the rest of her arm. It'll make more sense when I have it on. She has two different colored arm sleeves and two slightly different socks and some white gloves as well. Some ribbon that goes around one of her legs. So yeah, let's try on the next Diva costume. So this is the Magical Girl Diva cosplay. It is super adorable. It's very cute and magical, and like all of the little details are super amazing. I want to make her wand that goes with this cosplay, very Magical Girl like wand, and I really want to make it. I often don't have much time to make props, but this one's a smaller prop, so I'm really hoping that I have time to make it and do some updated photos. I also need to figure out like the blue part. I had a feeling that I wasn't really going to like it, so I might pair it with some white tights maybe that like go all the way up, since her like thigh highs are white anyways, so I'm thinking that white tights might look really good with it. I'm just not used to like being too revealing, I guess, with cosplay, and like there's nothing wrong with it, but personally I'm just not sure how I feel about that. I might also just see if I can make the fabric attached to the rest of the skirt so it's like a complete skirt. We shall see. But other than that, I really love this costume. It's super cute and frilly and detailed, and I absolutely love it. I'm not sure if I'm going to make the headset or just make little pieces to go over the headset, if that makes sense, because the headset is more pastel, but for now I might just make little hearts with wings that might be able to attach onto this one, since I already have this headset made. If you like these types of cosplay videos, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section below what you think of these costumes and what costumes you might like to see next. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!